Hello, this is Ziyin Chen. I am presenting an overview of my term project, the development of an online store website. The overview is like this. It allows the user to view the products and related comments without signing in. It also allows the user to become a customer by signing in or signing up so that he can purchase products and leave feedback. An administrator can manage products, users, and comments to maintain the website. The user stories. As a user, I want to view the products that are sorted according to my preference so that I can find my preferred product more easily. As a user, I want to view the comments and average rating of a product so that I can learn other users' experience with this product. As a user, I want to view paginated product list so that I can view each page quickly. As an administrator, I want to manage all users' accounts so that I can edit and monitor user accounts for administrative purposes. As an administrator, I want to manage all product descriptions so that I can add, edit, and delete product descriptions. As an administrator, I want to manage product reviews so that I can delete any review that violates the online store rule. As an administrator, I want to view sales history so that I can follow the sales training of each product. As a customer, I want to provide my credit card information so that I can check out. As a customer, I want to leave a review on the product I bought so that I can share my experience with other users. As a customer, I want to modify my review so that I can update my experience with the product. As a customer, I want to rate a product I bought so that I can leave a fast feedback without a lengthy review. That's it. Thank you.